We're wrapping up our game bit by bit and it's already looking like it. But before we do that, I want us to increase the size of our paddle. Alright, so to increase the size of our paddle, so click on your paddle. Alright, let's increase the size to 120. So it was 100 before. So let's increase the size here to 120. Yeah, so you can see that, right? 120. Okay, it's been increased. Yes, so let's see what our game looks like at the moment. So what I asked to do is to click on the green flag. All right, so when clicked, okay, so we see that our ball is bouncing off the paddle. But yeah, we see that our paddle is not moving in the right direction. So the paddle is supposed to be moving with the ball. So now I want to go back and do what? And debug. Everyone say debug. So I want to go back and debug. All right, so let's do that. Okay, let's stop this. Okay, and let's debug our code to know what exactly is happening. So looking at this, I have found like what the code is, what is wrong with the code. All right, so in debugging now, you come back to your code and you look at, oh, what could be wrong with it? Where did I go wrong? And all of that. Now we see in our code for the paddle, right? So what we used was point towards mouse pointer, right? But we actually want the paddle to go to the mouse pointer, not just point towards it. We want it to leave its position and go to the mouse pointer. So now let's do that. Let's delete this, just drag it back out. All right, and let's look for go to and then mouse pointer. Okay, let's look for go to mouse pointer. So it's important that you know that there would, from time to time, there might be errors in your code. Okay, so you have to go back and do what? And debug. So debugging, you go back, look through your lines of code, look through your understanding of the game you're trying to create and all the actions, and then understand, okay, where can my mistake be coming from? Do we get that? Yes, so now let's give this a try. So now we see that our paddle moves, okay, in a direction, but now it's not still moving in direction we want. So it's a bit slanted at the moment. All right, so now let's debug that as well. So in debugging that, so what I needed to do was to look for the direction in which the paddle is facing and then change the direction to the right angle. So I came to direction, okay, and if it was slant like this, all I needed to do was bring it back and ensure that it was straight. All right, so it's straight at 90 degrees. So we've been able to learn how to debug to check our code that it's working perfectly. So now let's play it again. So now we see that our ball bounces off the paddle in the right direction. I hope all of our project does this. All right. So I look forward to seeing your projects. Don't forget to submit them, all right, on the project of this particular lesson. All right, so don't forget to submit your project. I would also be adding bonus lessons to this, which involves being able to put a score, right? So anytime you get the ball to bounce, you get a score, and also if the ball falls down, you get a game over. All right, so yes, that would come in a bonus course. So if you like to see the bonus course, just reply in the comment section that you would like to see the bonus lesson, and then I will bring it up. Bye.